Hello, in this video you're gonna learn how to do sweep, and as you can see from this example, this one was created by extrusion, and then using void sweep it created the rounded edges for the cushion. And this one is sweep, and using the sweep tool this one created the baseboard. So that's what you're gonna learn in this video. Here, this is the one that I just showed you. This is a cushion, and let's create something similar to that one. Go to architecture and go to model in place, and you can use casework or generic generic models. Anyone will work, and let's use generic models for this one. Those two are pretty similar. Go to generic models. You can name that whatever you want, so you can find it later. And let's use extrusion to create the cushion first, and you can use rectangular shape to create that. And I will make the depth 2 feet and the width 3 feet, just like that. And for the height of it, let's do maybe starting from 20 inches and give the height 6 inches. So start at 20 and ends 26. Okay, so to apply, and now it is created. So let's take a look at that one. Let me see the camera. I can camera, and it is right there. Let's finish that up. It's right here, so we can finish using here. Go to modify again and finish. So the cushion is created. The next thing we want to do is creating, let me open up the right now I cannot really do that. Okay, I created another camera view so I can see the cushion better. So over here, as you can see from the previous example, I want to kind of carve out the edges so it is smoother, more rounded, just like the real cushion. So that's what we're gonna do using void sweep. Okay, so this one over here, click that one, and once you click void sweep, you can see this ribbon, and there are two things basically that you need to do. The first one is the path, and then the second one is the profile. So profile is kind of grayed out, so you can see that you need to first take care of the paths. So to take care of the paths over here, there are two options. The first one is sketching, and then the second one is picking. So if you know the path already, then you can pick the path. So here I will pick up all the paths. Here, here, and here. So, and the path should be looped. I cannot switch to another one, another loop of path. So I will stop here and finish. And now it is time to do profile. So once you're done with picking paths, you will get this profile sketching option right away. So over here, just adjust your view so you can see things better. Okay, and I'm carving out this cushion, so this is a good view to do that. And do edit profile, and here you can draw the sweep profile here. So starting from maybe from here to here, think about how deep your sweep profile should be. Okay, out here and finish up from here to end point over here. So I think that is good. Let me, just to make sure, let me do trimming. Okay, that way it is one enclosed profile. So profile is done. Okay, we can always go back to change it, edit it, so feel comfortable to do that. And profile is done, and now just finish that up. Okay, so that part is done, this part, so it is round and smooth, as you can see over here. Okay, and the next thing is maybe this one over here, so you can sweep that part around. Okay, so let's do that. Another, so click that one, and another void extrusion, void sweep. Okay, so path here, here, and use Control key to add the selections, this one and that one. And now do profile sketch. Okay, and over here, if you know the dimensions that you used earlier, then you can do that maybe, so that writing down that dimension that you use for this carving, that would be a good idea. We didn't do that, so let's ballpark here and like that. I remember one of them was 3/4 inch, so do that. Okay, and then using the line tool, finish up, and after that we can finish up that sweep. Okay, so it'll be like that. Let's change that to realistic so we can see things better. Okay, so it is carved out. You can, if you want a more detail, you can do these edges as well. And let's do maybe for materials. Again, if it is just one material, you can use this one to assign material to it. And over here, let me see if we have any fabric that we can use. I don't really see fabrics there. Upholstery. Let's go to fabric here and see if we can find anything. Maybe leather. Let's do that one. And whatever the default is, you can change that later on, but for this one, let's just do that. And leather is assigned to this cushion. So that's how you create this void sweep tool to carve out cushions, and there are lots of different applications that you can do. There are like furniture or custom pieces that you may need this one to give little more details to your design. And this one, it is the same process. It is just that for paths you pick up the line that meets walls and carpet meets, and profile, think about the section of the baseboard and then the sizes and draw them, and you can create baseboard with any shapes. Okay, so that's how you do it, how you do sweep or void sweep.